My name is Kelly Castle, and I am one of the reading specialists here at Quakertown Elementary School. In second grade, we are focusing on fluency, and one of the things that we are doing as a building, we are having parent workshops to help give parents ideas and tips that they can use at home with their kids. And in second grade, we focused on fluency. So today in our workshop, we provided different stations for parents to go to see these little strategies in action, and the parents actually can learn what they can then use at home with their with their children. The students actually practice these in classrooms in the rotations that they have in class, so they're actually teaching the parents too, which is really neat to see.
Hi, my name is Cameron Stillwell. I'm in second grade. Today I am doing karaoke at school. Other kids are reading with another person, and some other kids are doing reading websites on different websites.